So this is the oil change for the FA5, the 2007 Honda Civic Si. It's gonna take a good like half hour because not most people know this, but come here. My oil filter is directly behind the engine block. So somewhere around this area, back behind the engine, is my oil filter. So you're gonna have to take the wheel off for this one. So come join me on this anal journey. Alright, step one, jack off the car if you didn't already know. It's not gonna take a while. Alright, step two. If you got a friend, tell him to push on the brake because we're gonna take off the wheel. Don't get mad at me for using this tool. I'm
searching for the drain plug.
It says engine oil right there. There's your engine oil. It says it right there, so it shouldn't be too hard. Okay, so if you've ever been to the dealership, they say you gotta replace that washer every time. Change it like every other time because it's just a metal washer and it's really not that important. Because I didn't change it, as you can see, there's no spillage at all. So
What size wrench do you think it is?
It's up to you if you want to change it or not. Okay.
You can go ahead and remove that oil pan bolt. It's a 17.
Yep.
Make sure you have your oil drain pan set up so you don't ruin the environment and your floor. Sweet.
There we go. Let's try. Good man.
You want a glove?
Alright, this fucker is hot. Whoa!
Oh snap.
This thing's hot. Alright, so we're gonna have to do some cleanup on this one. Okay, so I guess if your car is semi-hot, it kind of splooges out.
That is
example right here. Oh, and
dude, your oil is black.
yeah, and which is ridiculous. This is only 300 miles after the 3,000 mark. So if you own a Honda, don't get past 3,000. And it'll be a good idea just to be under here, because it starts like decreasing in splooging speed.
So while your oil is draining, you can go ahead and work on other things so you can just let that drain while you're...
Try to get like the best position so when it starts to drip, it won't start dripping on the concrete. So leave it there and start going for the filter. Alright, so there's your filter.
That's behind the shock tower, behind your rotor.
Pretty much. So,
On top of
comparison. There's your rotor, there's your caliper. There's your filter. Honda, I love you, but you suck. Alright, so
pretty much directly above your axle.
yeah, that's horrible.
That sucks.
Alright, so right there is your CV joint. You don't want oil getting all over that. So the best thing to do is get some rags or some shorts. What is that? It looks like, alright, whatever will soak up oil, and just double up on it because it will get soaked through if you just do a single rag. And you don't want oil on rubber because they don't work.
Just go ahead and cover up whatever you don't want to get messed up back here. That should be good.
Do another one over it, just to be safe. It's gonna look retarded.
If it's been a really long time since you've done your last oil change, your filter might actually be caked onto your block, so you might need to use this, but in this case, we lucked out.
You don't. Wow. That was gonna be this is a lot easier than I thought it would have been.
Sweet.
Alright,
dude, it's dripping.
Oh no! Alright. Ta-da! There's your filter. Right. Oh, my bad.
Yep.
Alright, I got lucky. There's no sludge, but I really didn't think there would be because it's only 400 miles past the 3,000 mark. But if you look down in there, alright, see right there where the silver is? That's really good. There's no sludge, but still, don't go past the 3,000 mark.
Because you will get water black for
frothy crap that you saw before.
Alright, you can go ahead and put your drain plug back in.
Example A. Let me get a rag real quick. It's kind of dripping. Okay, so now just put the filter back on.
Alright, you can start reassembling everything, so you go ahead and put your wheel back on. Or not.
Okay, so oil capacity for the SI is 4.6 quarts.
Come in.
Alright, so after you clean everything up, put it all away, run the car for about 5 to 10 minutes and just check for any leaks, see if you did something wrong, anything like that. If you're looking good, then turn off the car after the 10 minutes, check the oil level, and then go from there. If you're good, you're good. Couple things. Don't forget to torque your wheel down. I know everybody hand cranks the hell out of it, but if you have the ability to use a torque wrench, use it, because it makes me feel better when I'm driving around. Oh yeah, I don't know if you saw in the video, but you need to still fill up the actual filter, the oil filter. And go to our channel, check out the videos. Also look at the link to our full website. That's on the channel as well. Thanks for watching.